My name is Darvish. I'm a TVPSS news reporter, and today we are going to ask students a few questions about the festive celebration Hari Raya. First student, Eva from Tufala. So, how do you celebrate Hari Raya?
I usually go to Melaka to celebrate Hari Raya with my family.
Can you give out a few words for your friends who will also be celebrating Hari Raya soon?
I hope you have a safe trip to your hometown and have a happy Raya with your family.
Melati from Tufala. So, how do you celebrate Hari Raya?
I usually go to Johor for the yearly celebration.
What are your favorite dishes served during Hari Raya?
My favorite dishes are rendang and ketupat.
Can you give out a few words to friends out there who also will be celebrating Hari Raya?
I hope you'll be enjoying your Raya this year and selamat Hari Raya, Aidilfitri, maaf zahir dan batin.
Our third student, Amirul from 2KA. So, how do you celebrate Hari Raya?
Well, I celebrate Hari Raya by going from house to house for Raya money.
What are your favorite dishes during Hari Raya?
My favorite dishes served during Hari Raya is satay and rendang.
Can you give out a few words to your friends out there who are also celebrating Hari Raya?
Well, I hope that all of you have a great Hari Raya Aidilfitri. Maaf zahir dan batin.
And our last student, Yusuf from 2KA. So, how do you celebrate Hari Raya?
I celebrate Aidilfitri with forgiveness in my heart.
What are your favorite dishes served in Hari Raya?
My favorite dishes during Hari Raya is rendang and ketupat.
Can you give out a few words to your friends who are also celebrating Hari Raya?
I hope that all of you have a great Hari Raya Aidilfitri. Maaf zahir dan batin, and be happy and stay safe everyone.
And that concludes our interview. Before I withdraw myself, the whole TVPSS and me would like to wish you Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri, Maaf Zahir dan Batin. And with that, I and my cameraman withdraw ourselves. See you in the next video. Bye!